Welcome to NeverLossTrading. Today in our feature presentation, I want to give you some insights why NeverLossTrading top-line users have it good. So what you see here is a chart of how it looks when it's applied and how you get signals. These signals always have a price threshold that needs to be surpassed. When that's the case in the next candle, we'll take the trade and we move it minimum to that dot or for 5 bars. Yeah, so this is how we trade with the system here. So again here, price threshold surpassed, price threshold surpassed, and again here, giving us opportunities. But what I want to feature today here is going even deeper. It's going to look pre-market of what the market most likely in your favorite asset or as a market overall will do. Yeah. But before we do that, let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Thomas Barman. I'm the owner and inventor of NeverLossTrading, and I want to make you aware of the risk of trading and that I'm acting here as educator, not as a broker-dealer, and that current situations cannot always be taken indicative for future results. So with that said, let us dive into a couple of charts and see how you can make a change to your trading. What you see here is a chart for Apple. Yeah, and it's a 4 hours continuous chart because you know Apple trades around the globe, starting from New Zealand, going through Australia, into Japan, into Hong Kong, coming to Europe, and then afterwards the US market starts. But what does it mean? Price points are already established and institutional direction is found before the market even starts. And I want to show you how, with the help of our indicators, you can know and participate in such directional moves. So let's go left to right here. So that day, here you have the top line signal here. And it's on a 5 o'clock candle here. So before the market started, the NeverLoss trader was knowing, hey, there is a demand for Apple. And if I buy that, it goes minimum here to my dot. Or most likely I trade it into the 1 p.m. East. What does it mean 1 p.m. East? All my times are always Eastern time here. So because I mean Eastern time, and that's what we specify. So whoa, wonderful trade. You knew in the morning what you're gonna do, and if you did that, you had a wonderful contribution. If you did that with a weekly option, what a nice trade you were able to make with very limited risk. So then we go through and see it comes again. Here's again 5 o'clock candle told us there's a story to tell. How far will we go? We go either to the dot or to that border. Yeah, so that's what we know. So therefore we take these borders help us. We'll take profit here. And we have another good trade before the market started. And what did it do at that border? Others had placed their sell orders there and yuck, the price came right down. And now comes what I call a wedge. Yeah, so why? The 1 o'clock candle here that day had already the buy signal. The next candle confirmed it, so building that wedge here with the two candles confirming each other, and then you have a very nice trade into the open again. And you see, if you brought that to the 1 o'clock hour, you had another very positive, very favorable trade. So that day, the 1 o'clock candle told us something, but the wedge didn't form because the next candle didn't take it out, so we wouldn't trade that. But here we have the same happening again. Two indicators told us the story, and we had a great idea of how far the price move's going to go right here. And that's just one example for Apple. If you want to learn how to trade like that, do us a favor, give us a ring, and we'll get together with you and show you the details. The trade I showed you here is a very small part of what you learn in the NeverLossTrading top-line program. Top-line comes with 20 hours of individual training, many different trade setups we go through, a lot of indicators, a lot of background information. So this is the top of the line, and this is why we call it like that. We train individually. Yeah. So far we haven't had, and we're in business since 2008, two traders of the same type and configuration or the same risk tolerance. And so therefore we focus on your specific wants and needs and tailor with you a business plan, a financial plan, an action plan that suits you. If you feel that appeals to you and you want to move forward in the year 2016 and with an outlook of long term making a difference in trading, give us a ring at 866-455-4520 or send us an email with your preferred time of the day and which time zone you are in so that we can contact you and you see live of how everything works at contact@neverlosstrading.com. Alrighty, we are looking forward to hearing back from you. Bye-bye.